Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great week, folks. Always do your best, but don't overdo. When you overdo, you deplete your body and you go against yourself, and it will take longer to accomplish your goals. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials right now trading down 80, Nasdaq's up 41, S&P's a flat. Gold contract down $31, trading $17.31 an ounce. Silver down 91 cents, $23.41 an ounce. Light sweet crude off $1.57, $66.71 a barrel. Notes and bonds. The 10-year note down 7 ticks, trading out at 133.25. 30-year down a half a point, or 16 ticks at 163.22. And King Dollar. King Dollar's up 150 ticks, trading at 92.950. Euro 117. Yen at 110.29, and the British pounds at 138 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. If it's called, folks, want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Well, you got a sideways market. You got a flat market out here. S&Ps are just laying at highs, man. They're laying at highs. We had light volume Friday, light volume today. Going to the NDX 100, we get the same type of setup inside the NDX. NDX right now is just laying up here. You had light volume on Friday, going into the highs. You're laying at the highs. The NDX, the 3Qs up 96 cents. You're trading at 369. Inside the NDX 100, the strength versus the weakness out here. Moderna doing it up in a big way for the NDX 100. That's up 18.5%. It's up $78, folks. Pinduoduo, oh, this is interesting. 2 China stocks are leading the way. That's up 6.7%. You get NetEase up 6%, and Peloton's up 4.5%. Inside the Dow Industrials, we take a look inside the Dow Industrials, the strength versus the weakness out here today. What you have, I believe it's going to be Goldman. Yeah, Goldman's putting 20 positive points. Boeing 9, Procter & Gamble 4. Taken away from it, you get United Health minus 26, IBM 18, Amgen 15. Gold, there we go. So this is it, folks. Take a look at this baby. This was pretty intense out here last night, no doubt. So the market opens at 6 o'clock, folks, on Sunday nights, right? Bottom line, I'm sure most of us look at the market at 6 o'clock. Well, guess what? I looked at the market at 6 o'clock, no big action. I said, okay, man, I'll move on. And, I got rid of the computer. And then all of a sudden I get a text from one of the tigers that gold just went down $100, and I says, oh, that's going to be interesting. Now, so check this out. I've seen this before, folks. The bottom line is that they hit this thing beyond belief when it's illiquid, and, bottom line, whoever did it, meaning broker-dealer-wise, more than likely it's a broker-dealer. Good trade. I mean, they took out every stop. They hit, as soon as they hit, let's see, they did... Yeah, you did 13,000 contracts, man. You did 13,000 contracts in that 5-minute time frame. So the bottom line is that when they hit it good. Bottom line, snaps right back. We'll see where this baby goes. I would have loved to see gold only being down, like this morning we had it down $15, $16, because that would have set up, if you're a candlestick charting person, it would have set up one of the biggest hammers you're ever going to see. But the bottom line is we're not going to get that, because we had the high when the session opened of 1765. You get a low of 1677. Right now we're at 1732. If we go take a look at where we are inside the silver market, I'm going to bring up the SLV, because what you have inside the silver market, okay, is this, is that we take a look at where it's at the bottom end of a 2-year consolidation. Now, what we did last week, you came down, but you didn't have volume on the way down. Now, this is coming into a high volume low that has 336 million shares traded. It had got tested with 192. That was in December of 2020, we're talking. And we're coming into it. We'll find out that on a weekly basis. I mean, it doesn't look to me like you're going to do anywhere near that. The real question is going to be, can it hold price? That's going to be the number out here. There's no doubt about it. And if we go to the King Dollar and we look at King Dollar, you're not going to see a huge amount of movement. Bottom line, King Dollar, is up right now 163 ticks. I suspect it's going to go for the top of the range here. The top of the range is 93,191, and the actual high is 93,437. So I suspect, one way or the other, we're going to go up and test that area. If we go over to the bond market and we take a look at bond, because what did happen simultaneously as that was going down, bonds also are getting hit. But that bond market, folks, still wants higher price. The bond market's coming down with tremendously lighter volume. You've only done 989,000 contracts out here today. That's on the 10-year. That is not a lot of sellers. You're coming into 2.2 million contracts, as well as 1.9 million. So you're going to need a lot more sellers. That's what it really comes down to. What's going to be really intriguing here is, in general, when you look at this market, the write-ups that you see, it says, oh, the dollar's going higher, inflation's not here. It's like, listen, man, the dollar might go higher, but I am in the camp that if you think inflation's not here, I'm not in that camp. Because the bottom line is that what you have, and this is from all of us just shopping, doing whatever we got to do, you have higher prices in an incredible way. I mean, it's like, you just do. I mean, this is not even, you don't have to be a technical person. You don't have to be anything in order to really understand that. On Friday, it was ironic on Friday too, folks. If you didn't see this, is that you had either 2 or 3 traders, I'm trying to look for it right now, that were in court for spoofing the gold market. And the bottom line is that they're going to maybe end up in jail. It was a criminal complaint. They got guilty. So I'll find this by the time we get back on after the commercial. But pretty intense, man. I mean, there's no two ways about that. So they were given examples of how they were spoofing the market. And it was a classic. There's no doubt about that. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.
Are you looking for a way to consistently add winning trades to your portfolio?